Character Ken, what do I expect from the character Ken? I expect him to, to be fresh, groovy. You don't need to be as groovy as I am, but I expect it to be fresh. I expect it to be groovy. I expect him to, to bring a good dynamic to his relationship with Barbie.
Barbie being pink and all, like when you hear Barbie, you hear pink. When you see Barbie, you say pink. I think it's cool. Stick to that. I know there are other colors like yellow and everything, but there's something about pink, it's very charming and captivating, and it's soft and it's warm and it's just pretty. So yeah, I'll stick with pink. I like it.
And I'm going to leave you with this one. Hi, Ken.